We've come down to mapping at MTech. As you can see, car's in the dyno. Gonna wait for Alex to do his thing, and then we'll get some footage of him doing pulls.
Can't break it,
yep.
Otherwise I can't get home.
I'll try not to break it.
Don't snap the drive shaft.
Oh, don't say that. I borrowed Scott's wheels for this. They're on budget tyres. We'll see how it goes, do some pulls, and hopefully it'll make all the power of the world.
Hello, Matt. Yeah, not bad, man. Shit, what's the plan? Out in there, just getting it all set up. Phil's gone to the shops because we need hydrating. Sausage rolls are key. We're doing all right. Couple of teething issues, boost pipes, one through a washer bottling, back line, just a couple of small bits. How exciting for you! Wow. Hey, hold your hand out. Hold your hand out for the camera. Put your hand out. It's the little 1.4 that could. I love the badge. You like it? I feel like you need to make it more grimy. The sticker's got to stay, and it needs to stay the same grey.
We're having issues where the car's just spinning. It's just sending it straight to the limiter. I think the tyres are probably a bit overinflated, so Phil's going to go through now and put the tyre pressures down. They've already put more load on the dyno because it was just spinning. I think Alex said we're currently about the 500 horsepower-ish mark, so he's just going to keep going and see what happens, and it makes what it makes. At the minute we've got Phil putting the tyre pressures down. Our Phil's doing tyre pressure things. Hopefully with a bit of luck get it to the point where it's not just spinning constantly. You get like a good log of power. We'll just see. Anyway, back to the pulls. So the car was spinning on the rollers and we couldn't get a clean power readout. We finished the session at about 1.3 bar of boost, but a few days later Alex actually went back, turned out to around 1.6 bar. So based on the last map we had, I'd say it's probably around the 500 to 520 wheel horsepower mark, which is more than enough. We'll get it on a hub dyno at some point, but as you're about to see, it's pretty savage. Unfortunately, I'm not actually insured on my own car, so Phil's going to take me down the road. And he's probably going to scare the absolute hell out of me, but we'll find out in a second.
Might scare the hell out of me, I don't know.
I might do. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's quite good, isn't it? I haven't got a brake pedal.
You haven't got a brake pedal? Just wants to whistle.
Brakes are so shit. They don't work. Not even there. Look, full brakes. Maybe.
That was full braking.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh my god.
We have a small issue. I don't have any brakes anymore. Oh, they're gone.
Already?
It is quick. Yeah. Yeah, it's like any gear, it just spins up. I'm going to do it as soon as I get back. I'm going to bolt the prop in and I'm going to go right up the road.
I might come back with you then.
You can if you want, but you still got to make it back here to get your car. I can just drive the car back.
Follow you.
If you want.
Try and follow you.
I've got no brakes, so I'm not going to be going very
True.
fast.
Terrifying.
I might make it home, I might not. I'll make it home.
Maybe.
It might be on the roof.
So that was it.
Wheels spinning on the rollers, so
yeah,
it's not really
it was just constantly wheel spinning. So the plan is to sort the exhaust out a little bit, put the prop back on, get it full drive, and then Alex is going to come out with me and we'll just do some mapping, basically get it into full power, full grip, and then it should be about the 5 mark again. It's terrifying. Still scary. Been successful day, I'd say. Didn't blow anything up. Pistons are still in there. Everything's good. So we've come back from mapping. I was going to go home, but Phil's decided that he wants to put the get all the four-wheel drive stuff working so we can send it down the road. So that is what we're going to do. So we had a minor issue where the cable would come off the box. Couldn't get it into first and second gear. So now we have gears again.
And we were in low boost.
And we were in low boost. Oh my god, this is going to be terrifying. Oh my, holy shit. God.
So we definitely have no brakes.
Yeah. At all?
Not gonna lie, that's a quick thing. That's good.
That is fast. Oh my god.
That's pretty hairy. That's pretty good.
That is terrifying. Actually terrifying.
This is my first four-wheel drive Civic experience in four-wheel drive. So I am quite impressed. No, I'll give it to you. That's a quick motor. And I've got it for a couple of weeks.
You do have it for a couple of weeks. I'm so sad I'm not insured on this thing. So to end our video, what do you think?
Yeah, it's fine. It's just a long way back from Mexico. But no, it is good and it is quick. And I can't wait for big brakes. So don't feel like we'll buy it anyway.
Tell you what, I'm going to have great fun driving this thing home, aren't I?
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and all the pulls. I feel like I've nearly died about 17 times. And we've only been out for about 10 minutes. So great.
It's not because of my driving, by the way. It's just because
No, it's because we have no brakes and it's
we're
just
in a death trap.
terrifyingly fast. Have a good one. We'll catch you on the next video.